Hello guys, welcome to another new anime release update video. In this video I will discuss about the release date and time of How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom episode 13. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom episode 13 will be releasing on the 25th of September, which is Saturday in the next week. Now I'm going to play the subtitle version release time of How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom episode 13 in over 50 countries time zone. If your country went missing from this list, then please let me know in comment section. I will try to reply your country's time zone. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.